how to transfer chat from Bitget to Binance. Now, first of all, open the Bitget app and make sure to log into your account. Now, after that, click on Assets and select the spot from the top bar and click on Withdraw. Now, after that, type in the search bar the chat token. Now, after you find it, just click on it. And as you can see, click on On-Chain Withdrawal. And now after that, set the network as the sol because there is only one. And now to get to withdraw address of that token, you need to go and open your Binance app. So after you open the Binance app and log into your account, to be able to get to withdraw address of chat, you need to go and click on assets and now select the spot from the top bar and tap on deposit. Now search for your token here by typing the chat as you can see. So as you can see here, they show you to go to Web3. So after you go to Web3 wallets on your Binance, you can copy the withdrawal address of the token. Now go back to your Bitget app and you can paste it here. And after you paste the withdrawal address that you get it from your Web3 or Binance Web3 wallet, you can now set the amount that you want to transfer here. And after that, click on withdraw. In about a few seconds to about a few minutes, you will be able to receive your token on your Binance account or Binance Web3 wallet. So this is how to transfer chat from Bitget to Binance. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.